Hey everyone, welcome to Virtual Comrade. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the Windows 10 startup sound. It's turned off by default, but I'll show you how to get it back. So let's get started. First, right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. Once you right-click, click on Sounds from the menu that appears. In this window, you'll see all your sound settings. Now, you'll see a checkbox that says Play Windows Startup Sound. By default, it's unchecked, so just check that box. After that, click on Apply, then hit OK. Now, to hear the sound, you'll need to either sign out or restart your PC or laptop. And that's it. The next time you start your PC, you'll hear that classic startup sound. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.